Christmas is over, the lights have stopped blinking, and so have a lot of people's New Year's resolutions. The holidays have had their fun. Now it's 2026, and it's time to grab this year by the and bend it to your will. There's no more, I'll start next week. I'll wait till after January 1st. That's already come. There's no more one more slice or one more cookie. No, we start now. Lace up your big boy boots and let's kick 2026 in the rear today. You're not here to ease into this year. If you want to really accomplish something great, then you've got to make it happen now, today. Now is the only time that there is. Tomorrow will be another now. The day after that will be another now. The day after that will be another now. And that's what people do. They keep flipping the calendar pages, page after page after page, and they never do it. So do it today. Do it now. And I'm going to help you. I'm not going to wish you a happy 2026 because wishes don't make New Year's resolutions come true. I mean, you know the old saying, if not now, when? If not me, who? So we're talking about now. We're talking about literally today. We're talking about you and me working together. I'm going to personally coach you, personally mentor you in trading. I'm going to help you. We're starting out this new year with a renewed options group coaching program. I've updated it. And by the way, if you've already been through the options group coaching program, you get the updates because when you join this program, you get free updates for life. So sure, you're going to get the manuals, you're going to get the videos, but what's key about this and the reason that we're going to together make this happen for you is because, again, you will get direct access to me live twice a week over Zoom. I will be reviewing your trades and we will trade together. I'm going to give you my exact trading methodology. I'm going to give you the exact proprietary indicators that I use. I'm going to give you the proprietary scans that I use that go out to the entire stock market and pull in and filter just the very few best trading opportunities, the biggest money-making opportunities there are at any given time. And you know how it is with New Year's resolutions. You need someone to hold you accountable. I will be your accountability partner, and I will be reviewing your trades. If you're going to send me your trades, we'll look at them. We'll look at them through email if you want to do it that way, or on the live Zoom calls that we have twice every week. And we're going to keep making adjustments to your trades. This is what they call in sports feedback loops, where they watch a game and then the coach and the players, they watch and they say, oh, we need to change this, we need to change that. That's what we're going to do with your trading. So very practical, hands-on, you and me, live, and dialing your trading in until it is now. As you can tell by my tone, I'm being a little forceful here. And the reason for that is that this is only for people who are super serious about trading. What you have to bring to the table is a work ethic, a seriousness, discipline, and a commitment that, yes, Barry, I will do the work. I'm not talking about just showing up. I'm talking about doing the work. This is not for everybody, obviously. In fact, I would say this is only for about 1 or 2% of the traders out there. So if that's you, if you are 1,000% committed to being successful in your trading in 2026, turning things around once and for all, stop the frustration, stop all the lazy stuff, the hack jobs who are presenting all kinds of garbage out there in front of their Learjets and their Bentleys and their Ferraris. And you're like, no, Barry, I'm not going to fall for the hype anymore. I want serious education. Then here's what you do next. Fill out the application. There's a brief little application so we can get a little bit of information about you. Then get on a call with Charlie, my main man, Charlie, and he will walk you through all the details of the program, answer all your questions so that you and he together, obviously, ultimately you can decide if this program is right for you and at what level you want to come in based on things like, have you been trading options before? Have you been trading at all before? By the way, no experience is required. It's just a matter of him helping you to determine, okay, what level of the program should we get you started at? So he needs to know those things before he can present to you exactly what the offer is for you. Because again, this is personalized for you. So go ahead, fill out the application, book the call, and I hope to be working with you real soon.